Ginebwaka. Gimikawadis. Gigushkitun. Gimenochige. Ginetawichige. Gidapitenamin. If you understood 80% of those words, you can move on to the next poster lesson. Or else continue here and repeat the Ojibwe parts. You have to say it out loud for it to effectively get into your long-term memory. So say all the Ojibwe parts out loud. You are smart. Ginebwaka. Ginebwaka. You are beautiful. Gimikawadis. Gimikawadis. How do you say you are beautiful? Gimikawadis. Gimikawadis. Here's how you say you are smart. Ginebwaka. Ginebwaka. You are beautiful. Gimikawadis. Gimikawadis. Say, in Ojibwe, you can do it. Gigushkitun. 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 How do you say you can do it? Gigushkitun. Gigushkitun. You are beautiful. Gimikawadis. Gimikawadis. You are smart. Ginebwaka. Ginebwaka. Here's how to say you are doing good. You're doing a good job. Gimenochige. Gimenochige. How do you say in Ojibwe, you are doing a good job? Gimenochige. Gimenochige. Do you remember how to say you can do it? Gigushkitun. Gigushkitun. You are beautiful. Gimikawadis. Gimikawadis. You are smart. Ginebwaka. Ginebwaka. Here's how to say you are skilled. Ginetawichige. 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 How do you say in Ojibwe, you are skilled? Ginetawichige. Ginetawichige. Do you remember how to say you are doing good? Gimenochige. Gimenochige. You can do it. Gigushkitun. Gigushkitun. You are beautiful. Gimikawadis. Gimikawadis. You are smart. Gineboaka. Gineboaka. Listen to how I would say, I am proud of you. Gidapitenamin. 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 Do you remember how to say, you are skilled? Ginetawichige. Ginetawichige. It's kind of a long word, so let's do backwards build up. Say the last syllable of the word and then add a preceding syllable. Repeat after me. Say, ge. Chige. Wichige. Tawichige. Nitawichige. Ginitawichige. Ginitawichige. Here's how to say, I am proud of you. Gidapitenamin. Last syllable, min. Nimin. Tenemin. P-tenemin. Da-p-tenemin. Gidapitenamin. Gidapitenamin. Tell me how you would say in Ojibwe, I am proud of you. Gidapitenamin. Gidapitenamin. How do you say, I am proud of you? Gidapitenamin. Gidapitenamin. How would you say in Ojibwe, you are skilled? Ginetawichige. Ginetawichige. I am proud of you. Gidapitenamin. Gidapitenamin. You are skilled. Ginetawichige. Ginetawichige. You, ge. Doing good. Minochige. You are doing good. Giminochige. Giminochige. You can do it. Gigoshkitun. Gigoshkitun. You are beautiful. Gimikoadis. Gimikoadis. You are smart. Ginebwaka. Ginebwaka. That's it. Misa you. This is a project of the Red Lake Independent School District number 38, Red Lake, Minnesota. Feel free to download and print these off our school website under Language and Culture Resources. No duplicating or selling, just using past learning. We all need to learn Ojibwe. Misa yo.